Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create ESPN account. So let's get started. So if you're trying to create ESPN account, and ESPN stands for Entertainment and Sports Program Network. Now to create that account, what you have to do is first open up your browser. After opening up your browser, now in search bar you can search for espn.com. After searching for ESPN.com, you should come up to this website. From here, what you can do is just simply tap on create account, which you can find in the left side of your screen. And after tapping on that, now in order to create an account, you have to enter your email address. And after entering your email address, just simply tap on continue. After tapping on continue, now what you have to do is just simply enter your first name, enter your last name, and then create a password for your account. Just simply enter the following details. And now just make sure that you create a strong password for your account. And after getting a password, now just scroll down and then tap on agree and continue. And after tapping on agree and continue, now you'll receive a 6-digit code in the email address that you have just entered. So what you can do is just simply open up the email address that you have just used. After entering that code, now what you can do is just simply tap on continue. And after tapping on continue, your account will be created. So here you can see, guys, by tapping on the profile icon which is on the top right, you will see your profile. So you can just simply tap on edit, and after tapping on edit, you can just edit your details if you want. So that's it, guys. This is how to create a ESPN account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.